Right then, Silverpunks, here we go. The judge has got the prints across, so this is the Halloween little challenge we're trying to do to get the sculpture of the zombie sorted. So I've just got to have this come through the post. The post is just not the door, and just to show you where, there you go, you're getting that Friday the 27th of October, 20 past 10. So there we go. We've got a few more days to go because obviously I think it's Tuesday Halloween, but we want to get this out on the Monday. So I've got a lot to do. Got to get this unpacked now, which I'll do in front of you now, and we'll have a look to see how the judge did with a 3D print after our conversation that you, if you've watched the other videos. So there we go. There we go. Ah, right, that's a little chucky one, which we did talk about. We'll come back to that in another video. Well, look at the back on that though. Look at that bad boy. You getting that? That's so cool. Right, anyway, but this is what we're looking at. There he is. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's so cool. And he's got it straight, so that stands up like that. So hopefully, when I come to do that in the silver, it'll stand up and we'll have a nice little sculpture. It's a little bit thin on the top there, but that should be okay. I should get a nice cast. Look at that. Look how cool that's going to be when that's toned up and done. Oh yeah. If I can get the silver to flow nicely all over that, I'll be happy. So there's the unboxing. Judge has done us proud. I'll give him some praise on this one. That looks so cool. You're not going to get it when it's standing up in this view, but yeah, it stands up. So right, the next video now, I better crack on and I better get the sandcasting done, get the mould made. Cheers.